Welcome to AiPSoft Connect. In this video, we will walk you through the entire step-by-step process of completing a customer delivery using the application. First, when you open the app, you will see a permission prompt. To allow the app to search for nearby Bluetooth printers or devices, tap Allow. Next, proceed to the login screen. Enter your registered business username and password in the fields provided. Check the Remind Me box if you wish to save your credentials, and then tap Secure Login. To link your app to the correct register or vehicle, you must verify your device. Select your designated device from the drop-down list, enter your secure 4-digit device PIN, and tap Verify PIN. From the application menu screen, select Delivery and Pickup to open the delivery module. This brings you to your main delivery dashboard. Here, you can easily track your home deliveries, check new alert requests, view completed pickups, and see a summary of your collected payments grouped by cash, credit card, or credit. To start a delivery, tap the Home Delivery banner. This opens your assigned orders queue. Select the specific order you want to process to open its detailed view. Here, you can review the customer's name, delivery address, phone number, and the full itemized list of what they ordered. When you are ready to complete the drop-off, tap the Deliver button at the bottom of the screen. To ensure accurate background tracking and delivery updates, the app requires 2 system permissions. Tap Proceed on the request prompt. First, you will be taken to your phone's system settings. Locate AiPSoft Connect and toggle on Allow the setting of alarms and reminders. Next, return to the app to set the location permission. Choose While using the app on the system pop-up, then select Allow all the time in the location settings page. This guarantees that real-time order tracking works perfectly even if your screen is locked during transit. Once you return to the app with permissions configured, choose the customer's payment method. For cash payments, tap Pay in Full next to Cash to automatically input the exact balance amount, then tap Deliver. Finally, a confirmation window will appear. Double-check that your collected amount and payment method are correct, then tap Yes, Continue. Your delivery is now successfully saved in the system, the dashboard stats will instantly update, and you are ready to proceed with your next delivery. Thank you for watching.